Hello students of class 12th, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all know that we have started advertisement writing, and as of now we have discussed advertisements which are written under situation vacant, then situation wanted, then for sale, purchase, then to let, for renting a property. So as of now we have gone through the advertisements of which are written under these headings. When an employer gives the advertisement for vacant seats, he want to employ the candidates for the vacant seats of any organization, and it is given under situation vacant. And when a candidate seeks for job or he offers any service and wants to get it popularized, in that condition advertisement is written under situation wanted. And next is for sale or purchase property. So when one wants to sell his whether it is here we are talking about property, so mostly we will be talking about house and land. Okay, so if anyone wants to sell his house or flat or any vacant land, okay, then it is written under for sale or for purchase. Then in the last video we discussed advertisements which are written under the heading to let. So advertisements are written under to let when one wants to rent out his property, whether it is house or flat or it is mere land. Okay, so in my as of now in my last videos I have discussed, in my previous videos I have discussed these types of advertisements. So today we are going to another type of advertisement which is related to the property. After to let, we are going to write down the advertisement, we are going to practice the advertisement which are written under the heading accommodation wanted. So let's begin. So we write an advertisement under accommodation wanted when we are looking for a property for rent. When we want to rent any property, we want to take any house, flat or mere land on rent. In that condition it will be written under the heading accommodation wanted. So now let us discuss next type of advertisement, that is accommodation wanted, that is written under the heading accommodation wanted. Accommodation wanted. So let me write down an example. The same specification will be given here too. If you want to purchase any property, then you need to mention the fitting and fixtures, price, and where it is, where your property is located. And the same thing is written for purchase, but instead of for sale we write require for purchase, and the same is written for to let, but instead of sale and purchase it is written for renting out the property. The only difference is this, and rest things in content will remain the same. So in accommodation wanted also we need to tell where we are looking for the house or flat, what type of house or flat we are looking for on rent. Okay, we need on rent, and what is the fitting fixture of the house, and what rent one can pay. The person who is looking for it can pay. So let us understand it in a better way with the help of an example. So let me write down the question. First, you are Ravi Singh. You are Ravi Singh. You are Ravi Singh looking for an independent house. Looking for an independent house in East Delhi on rent. In East Delhi on rent. Draft a suitable advertisement. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published stating all your requirements and expected rent. Stating all your requirements and expected rent. Okay, so you are Ravi Singh looking for an independent house in East Delhi on rent. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published stating all your requirements and expected rent. So let me rub it and write down the solution to this question. So first of all, we all know whether it is advertisement writing or notice writing, we need to draw a box. I would like to recommend you to draw only three-sided line. Only three-sided lines. Don't close the box as your words may go beyond the box and it will look ugly. So that is why you should avoid drawing the bottom line. Okay. So first of all, whether it is situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale or for purchase, the heading should be written in capital and in center. So here we are going to write in capital accommodation wanted. Accommodation wanted. Then according to question, which types of house you are looking for, and where should be the location, your preferred location, and what fixture and fitting you want in the house, everything you need to mention here. You can start it with required. Required a newly built independent, required a newly built, newly built independent required a newly built independent house in East Delhi. House in East Delhi on rent. So first, what type of house you are looking for? You have given you want a newly built independent house. Where you want? In New Delhi. So whether you want to buy or you want on rent, you have mentioned here. So required a newly built independent house in East Delhi on rent. Later, what other features, other specification of the house you need to mention? Having 3 bedrooms, having 3 bedrooms, having 3 bedrooms with attached baths, having 3 bedrooms with attached baths, drawing and dining area, drawing and dining area, drawing and dining area along with modular kitchen, along with modular kitchen, along with modular kitchen and parking parking. So let me rub it and complete it. You can take the screenshot. Required a newly built independent house in East Delhi on rent. So you have given which type of house you are looking for and where should be the location of the house. Having 3 bedrooms, you have to give your requirements with attached baths, drawing and dining area along with modular kitchen and parking. Okay, so let me rub it and write down the remaining part of this advertisement. Modular kitchen and parking, east and park facing. Further, after full stop, you can write east and park facing. East and park facing near school, bank. Then after giving the specification of the house, you need to give the surrounding. Okay, near school, bank, either here near school, bank, hospital, bus stand, and shopping complex. And shopping complex. Okay, now you need to mention the rent rupees 50,000 per month. 50,000 sorry, 15,000, not 50,000. 15,000 per month. Okay, contact Mr. R.V. Singh. You will have to give your contact details. Contact Mr. R.V. Singh at 9868. Okay. Now after finishing your advertisement, you should draw the bottom line and close the box. So this way, dear students, advertisements are written. First you will have to write the heading, which should be in capital letter. Then according to question, you will have to respond. You can watch my previous videos too for other types of advertisements. So I hope you have taken the screenshot, or you may also pause the video and write it down. So let me rub it and give you some questions in homework. Now write down the questions for practice. Question number 1. You need to take a 2 BHK flat on rent. You need to take 2 BHK flat on rent. You need to take a 2 BHK flat on rent, draft an advertisement, for local newspaper giving all for local newspapers giving all necessary details of your requirements. Giving all necessary details of your requirements. Second one, you want to take on rent a newly constructed office in a prime location of Preet Vihar. In a prime location of Preet Vihar, draft an advertisement as per your requirements about location and price, etc. Okay, draft an advertisement as per your requirements about location and price, etc. So please take the screenshot. I am going to rub it and write down more questions for you. You can also pause the video and write it down. You are Dr. Meena. Question number 3. You are Dr. Meena, a child specialist, child specialist, a child specialist. You are looking for an independent house. You are looking for an independent house. You are looking for an independent house in Patel Nagar on a reasonable rent in Patel Nagar on a reasonable rent. Patel Nagar on a reasonable rent for your residence cum clinic. For your residence cum clinic. For your residence cum clinic, draft a suitable advertisement. Draft a suitable advertisement. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in Hindustan Times. Okay? To be published in any newspaper. The name of the newspaper is not required here. You can take the screenshot, or you may pause the video and write down. Okay, dear students, so these 3 questions you must write down in your notebook, in your fair notebook, and must practice. So as of now, we have discussed the advertisements which are written under the headings situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, for purchase, to let, and accommodation wanted. So questions for other types of advertisements, on other types of advertisements for practice have also been shared in your WhatsApp group. I will also upload on Snap Homework, so you must go through them, you must practice them. Okay, so whatever the questions are given, are being discussed, you must practice them in your fair notebook. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow, and we will be discussing the remaining types of advertisements in the forthcoming videos.